Today I am unboxing the brand new DJI Mavic 3 Cine Premium Combo Drone. This is the latest release from DJI. The carry bag is a multifunctional bag with the option for it to be a pouch, shoulder bag or backpack. The Mavic 3 looks similar in appearance to the previous Mavic 2, but the Mavic 3 is slightly longer with thinner arms, with an overall weight slightly increased to 895 grams. The protective sleeve is definitely an upgrade from the previous gimbal cover. This gives a sleek look to the packaged drone. The RC Pro remote controller from DJI is an all-in-one solution that offers customization and expandability to suit your flying style. It has a built-in 5.5-inch screen at 180 pixels Full HD. One of the much improved features is the amazing dual lens system, featuring a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, and the second is a telephotic lens with 28x hybrid zoom capability. The premium combo comes with 2 boxes of ND filters ranging from ND4 all the way up to ND512. The number of sensors on the drone has been increased, meaning that the obstacle avoidance system is even better. The Cine Premium Combo features a built-in 1TB SSD and allows you to shoot Apple ProRes 422 HQ, which is capable of shooting 5.1K at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Now I'm going to step outside and test this new drone and see what it takes to get the best end results. There are multiple built-in features that allow you to create flight paths, auto-track subjects, and perform complex aerial maneuvers with a tap. The Mavic 3 features the Hasselblad Natural Color solution. This ensures vividly accurate natural colors that look spectacular even without presets or editing. Even if you shoot in RAW format, the colors you get in post are extremely crisp. With up to 46 minutes of flight time and a transmission range of up to 9.3 miles, there is no longer such a panic and rush to get the needed shots within one flight cycle. The Mavic 3 Cine Premium is engineered to hold its position in the air extremely steady, benefiting pilots trying to take long exposure or time-lapse shots. As you can see from the footage, even switching between the CMOS lens and the telephoto lens with nice details and clean, crisp colors. Overall, I am super impressed with the new DJI Mavic 3 Cine. I feel it's definitely worth the bang for buck to get the full package, costing 18,095 dirhams. I would recommend going for the Mavic 3 Cine package over the regular Mavic 3, purely for the fact that you get the ND filters, the 1TB internal storage, the free battery packs, and the RC Pro controller. I feel it definitely adds to the value overall, and it means you're fully equipped when going on a shoot. I recommend heading down to Advanced Media Showroom on Sheikh Zayed Road so you can see what it's like in real life and gain the experience.